Hi, my name is Amy Grassi from Bitterroot Paper Crafts, and I want to show you what is available right now if you're a VIP member with Close to My Heart. And if you're not a VIP member, I would love for you to join my VIP member group. This is the card box that we have launched just recently. It's going to be available through the end of November. And it is a really super cute kit. It comes in this little magnetic box with a closure on it, just like so. And inside the box, you have these dividers, so you can sort your cards by topic. It comes with a block, an ink pad. You have all of these cute bases. Aren't these super cute? Look at all of these patterns. And I'm going to show you real quick how I am going to monkey with these because, you know, my motto is I can't leave well enough alone. It's my new little tagline. And these are our envelopes that go with your card bases. And then you have this great stamp set, and it's got all of these different sentiments. So you've got the script version as well as just a print version. So you've got Hello Friend in the script, and you've got Hello Friend in the print as well. Script, print, script, print. So you've got lots of options here. In addition to that, it also comes with these die cuts that just punch out, and you can coordinate the colors with your card bases. So for example, this one has this really pretty, I would call that wisteria. So there's a wisteria outline here. You could also use the sapphire color that's in the background. You could use that as well. So you've got options. And I already talked about the divider cards, so you can sort your note cards once you've got them all done, and then go right back in the box for easy keeping and safety. They don't get damaged that way. But let's talk about how we can make more out of what we've got here. So my friend Shelly, who is also got a YouTube channel, so if you're needing some more inspiration, Shelly has got some great ideas. She's very, very creative, and I would strongly recommend you head on over to her YouTube channel, Shelly West. She's also a Close to My Heart maker, and check out her site. But Shelly was the one that taught me this. So rather than using one note card with the front and back, Shelly taught me how to cut them in half. So I took this note card and I cut it in half. I just put it in my trimmer. Let me get my trimmer out here. I'll show you how I did that. So we're going to take this one, and this is a A2 size note card. So I'm going to trim it down to, let's trim it down to a 4 by 5 1/4. So that gives me a 1/4 inch margin on my sides. So I'm going to put that at the 4. And then I'm going to take off, I want an 1/8 on each side, so it's nice and balanced, and I have that pretty thing right in the center there. Okay, I'm going to come over here, so that's at 5 1/4. Now, I very well could have made it so that this was, you know, on the top and the bottom as well, but that's going to be okay. I'm actually going to center it so in my note card, and I'll have something at the bottom here. So that's okay. I'm going to put that off to the side. Now for this one, I have a great mat to use on another card. And there you go. And I'm going to save that for another card. So now out of one card, I can make 2. So I just take, I buy these in the bulk section of my value pack of card bases and envelopes. So all I would do is mount that just like that, or probably like that. Like that. How cute is that? But I have one all ready to go, so I wanted to show you what I was going to put together. All right, so I had already made this one up earlier. So I cut a piece of rosemary cardstock, Okay. There we go. And now this is really heavy, sturdy card. It's going to be a really nice card when we're done. And I think I'm going to use the Hello Friend. Nope, I'm going to actually make a birthday card because I need a birthday card. I'm going to go happy birthday. I'm going to pull out my birthday block. I love that Close to My Heart includes blocks in these, so I don't have to worry about a block. And I want to get that to pick it up. And these are tight, tight, tight at first, so, which is great because you don't want these to come off in the package. They get easier to use over time. And my foam. Up and down. Perfect. That little ink block comes in there as well. I'm going to use my chamois. I'm just going to clean that off. Lickety split. Now, as my friend Lisa would always say, you're going to have some dimension here, so you're going to pay a little bit more on postage. But I don't know, I like having a little bit of a pretty, you know, sparkly, dimensional birthday card. For me, it's kind of worth a little extra postage. So, long story short, why am I here? I wanted to show you a VIP exclusive gift, which is this adorable card kit. It's available only to VIP members, and it's available only through the end of November while supplies last. So if you haven't become a VIP member, I'd sure love to have you join my VIP member group. And if you are a VIP member, you should definitely check out this adorable card kit. Even if it's not for you, it makes a great gift. You can think about it as a Christmas gift. How cute is that? You can wrap it up as a box under the tree. Everything comes inside of this. The only thing that you would need besides this would be an adhesive. Okay, have a great day and thanks again.